Hello and welcome to one of Portland's most sought after master plan communities. This is Timberland. You're greeted by this gorgeous architectural bridge. This is a community you don't want to miss. Let's go.
Into this gorgeous light-filled townhome-style condo in the heart of 97229. The open living area is framed by oversized windows, bringing in treetop views and an abundance of natural light. A cozy fireplace anchors the room, creating the perfect setting for relaxing evenings at home. The dining space flows seamlessly into a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, crisp white cabinetry, and plenty of counter space for cooking and entertaining. Upstairs, the serene primary suite is your own private retreat, while the additional bedroom offers flexibility for guests, work, or play. Outside your door, Timberland's master plan community surrounds you with walking trails, a nature preserve, the convenience of market of choice, local shops, and cafes just steps away.
All right, I also think city meets suburbs, privacy meets connections. That's the magic of this master plan community here at Timberland. Thanks for coming along this tour. Make sure you leave your comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. We'll see you on the next one.